What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Douglas McMaster. I'm from Silo Restaurant, but geographically I'm from the north of England, up north.
What is waste?
Waste is a synthesis of natural materials to create something which is no longer natural.
Why is waste important?
Waste indicates a broken or unsustainable food system, or any system, and the world needs a sustainable food system.
Are we doomed?
Are we doomed? Are we doomed? Probably. We are probably doomed, but it's nice to make an effort.
What's on the horizon for the Zero Waste Cooking School?
Well, the network and the ideas have expanded, and we want to reveal that glorious evolution.
Do you have a bin?
Unfortunately, yes, but it's complicated.